Hello and welcome. I know organic chemistry can be a total brain buster, but no worries. We are gonna break it down and make it totally chill for you. You got this. Hey guys, welcome to our chemistry crash course. Today we are going to be talking about alkanes, the chill, laid back backbone of organic chemistry. You might think that alkanes are boring because they are so simple, but trust us, they are more interesting than you might think. Let's dive in. Okay, so alkanes are basically the backbone of organic chemistry. They are the simplest kind of organic molecules. They are just made up of carbon and hydrogen atoms arranged in a straight line, and guess what? They are super chill because they are not interacting with stuff. They are so saturated that you cannot add anything extra to them. Hey, can't you see? We are already all busy here. Where do you want to add anything? But sometimes things get a little wild, and an alkane might decide to hang out with some other atoms and molecules and can make some new friends. That's when things start to get interesting. For example, if you add some chlorine to an alkane, you might get a substitution reaction where one of the hydrogen atoms gets replaced by a chlorine atom. Hey, see this hydrogen separated here? Wow, I got substituted. You can imagine alkane compounds as a table with multiple chairs, but all chairs are full. That's what we meant when we said they are saturated. There is no more room to any new person. Oh, I meant atom to be added. Here, see this propane. Each carbon atom is surrounded by all possible 4 bonds and no more room to add extra atoms. The only way to be able to add someone new is to remove someone who is already sitting. That's meaning substitution. That's why alkanes react only by substitution and not by addition. Hey, a short quiz to make sure that you've been paying attention. Why are alkanes considered to be saturated? Are they able to react with other molecules easily? Or because they are composed of only one type of atoms? Or because they have the maximum possible number of hydrogen atoms bonded to their carbon atoms? Why do you think they are called saturated? Because they are always in a good mood and have positive vibes? Or because they are filled to the brim with the carbon and hydrogen atoms like a stuffed turkey on Thanksgiving? Or maybe because they are so chill they don't want any more atoms to cram their style? Do you think you know the answers? Why you can put them in a comment and show us that you know something. Examples of the next videos will be how exactly the substitution reactions happens in alkanes. Other types of alkanes reactions include combustion. Let's dive into that also in the next videos. One more question is there before you go. Where can you add some chlorine atoms to this butane molecule? I have a clue to add some atoms, but answer is nowhere. No place to add anything. The only way to add anything is to remove someone. The only way is to remove it. Kick this hydrogen out, and then you can add a chlorine atom instead. That's why it's called addition to a saturated alkane. Wait. It's not addition. It's called substitution. Alkanes don't react with addition. They react only with substitution. If you want to take out something from this video, you better listen here. So there you have it, folks, the scoop on alkanes. These molecules might seem like they are stuck in the ways, but they are actually pretty versatile and can react in some pretty cool ways. We hope you have enjoyed this crash course and that you feel a little more confident in your chemistry skills. Stay curious, keep exploring. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see some of these action videos. k-chemistry.com